In an emotionally distant world, we choose to reach out and walk alongside people who resonate with us. Just like when we were kids, we held hands, we moved forward together, and somehow the ground beneath our feet became alive again. Soul Theater Energy Ceremony Hall. The mission of the three of us is to bring more people together, to move forward together, and find our soul partners together. A little earlier, and with more clarity, we believe in walking hand in hand towards shared passions, shared work, and shared ways of living. We want more people to discover their own inner path, to experience life fully within it, to move through the world with ease, to shine without constant struggle, and live a more splendid life, and to let life unfold with more brilliance and grace. Our wish is to help people understand energy and to learn how to clear, restore, and nourish their own energy. When energy flows, life becomes fuller. Love for life deepens. Love for oneself becomes natural, and each day grows more vivid. Hello, we are Soul Theater Energy Ceremony Hall. In the time ahead, we will share simple energy rituals with you. Practices you can do anytime, anywhere, right at home, to care for yourself, to protect your inner space, and when you are ready, gently support others as well.